Hey guys, welcome back to the Center of Gadgets. Today we will be exploring another set of cool gadgets that you can buy online. Get ready to be mesmerized as we reveal the newest technology, gadgets and devices. Meet the Ungoverned Vendetta, the ultimate thrill-seeker's dream for snowy mountains and snowless hills. It's an electric skateboard with a twist, a hybrid of a snowboard and skateboard, offering unmatched flexibility and maneuverability. With a hinged center section and mountain bike suspension, it conquers any terrain while maintaining stability. Its expanded surface area provides exceptional traction, 4 times that of a regular dirt bike. Plus, it runs for up to 40 minutes at 31 miles per hour, making it perfect for all terrains. Introducing Lock-in Smart Lockbox, the ultimate solution for secure living. This smart safe has endured 10,000 hammer tests and emerged unharmed. Safely store credit cards, keys and valuables. Unlock it effortlessly via the app or manual code entry. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it's versatile for wall mounting or door attachment. Granting access is easy with one-time passwords. Built with SPCC cold-rolled steel, this safe is robust and dependable. Hoto multi-tool. It's your ideal DIY companion. This versatile kit includes 35 multifunctional accessories to handle any task. Its powerful 25,000 RPM motor ensures precision across various materials, with a 50-minute battery life for uninterrupted work. The 240-gram lightweight design offers comfort and flexibility, and the mechanical knob provides precise control. Plus, the removable dust cover keeps your workspace clean, ensuring clear visibility for your projects. Meet the Fang, the ultimate everyday carry tool crafted from premium-grade titanium, designed for modern adventurers and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its rugged build can withstand extreme temperatures and harsh outdoor environments, while its sleek, lightweight design fits seamlessly on your keychain, in your backpack or pocket. With a built-in everlasting pen, bottle opener, pry bar and spike, it's your all-in-one utility tool. Introducing AlpenGlow by BioLite, your camping companion. This smart lantern boasts high-efficiency chroma reel LED tech in 500 and 250 lumen sizes, perfect for any adventure. Celebrate in accurate color rendering and a warm, natural glow. Shake it for special modes like candle flicker or colorful rotations. Customize color LEDs to your liking or blend them for sunset vibes. Compact and IPX4 water resistant, it's easy to carry. Plus, its 3,200 mAh battery doubles as a power bank. Get yours for ultimate productivity on the go. The PyroVault 2. It's the essential armor for lighters. With its dual-wall, dual-color exoskeleton, it offers top-tier protection and a superior grip in the field. Compatible with various lighter inserts like Zippo, Thunderbird and Blazer, it's user-friendly with one-handed operation. It's totally waterproof, has a non-slip texture and rugged design. It even includes a quick-fire starter for those survival adventures in the wild. Vista. Envision setting up your hammock anywhere, a remote beach, towering mountains, or your own backyard. The Vista redefines relaxation, offering limitless hammocking freedom. Be prepared to hang, swing, and leave your worries behind. This hammock takes your adventures to new heights, quite literally. Pack your hammock and embark on a journey of portable relaxation. You won't want to leave your hammock haven again. Meet Lockbook, the world's first biometric notebook, fusing style, security and efficiency. Safely store sensitive data, notes and documents with its multiple pockets. It's your all-in-one planner, sketchbook, journal and organizer. Available in various colors and materials. Unlock it in seconds using advanced fingerprint technology. Customize it with accessories for your organizational needs. Gravastar Mars Pro. The Gravastar's Mars Pro wireless speaker has stereo sound, bass boost, and an impressive battery for hours of playtime, letting you enjoy tunes without constant recharging. With stunning design, powerful sound, and durability, this Bluetooth speaker combines aesthetics and excellent audio in one package to elevate your experience. You can get it in many styles and designs. Choose your best preference. The YSMART MQ3 is a game changer in compact flashlights. Its quick-release magnetic feature makes it instantly accessible with a simple pop. With a powerful magnet, it sticks securely to any metal surface. USB-C fast charging provides speedy and convenient power, while the rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting use. Crafted from aerospace aluminum or grade 5 titanium, it's both stylish and virtually indestructible, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor adventures. Unleash the ULike Sapphire Air 3 hair removal system for unparalleled smoothness. This device wields IPL intense pulse light and 21 joules high energy to eliminate hair at the root, disrupting the growth cycle for enduring outcomes. With only 3 weekly sessions, visible results can be witnessed. Bid farewell to frequent shaving or painful waxing and embrace the effortless efficacy of the Sapphire Air 3 for consistently smooth, hair-free skin. Discover the Starry Hub Projector, a true game-changer in the world of wireless smart LED projectors. This remarkable device sets a new standard with its unparalleled 4K Ultra HD resolution, bringing your viewing experience to life with stunning clarity and breathtaking detail. The Starry Hub Projector boasts a remarkable brightness of 2200 lumens, ensuring vibrant and captivating images. Switchbot Smart Curtain. Say farewell to manual curtain operations with the Switchbot Smart Curtain. This ingenious device automates your curtains, allowing you to set schedules for opening and closing based on your daily routine, or use its sunlight sensor feature for automatic adjustments. You can even control it with voice commands for added convenience. That's all, folks. Check out the links in the description if you're interested. See you in the next one.